With Christmas just around the corner and New Year a little further down the road, it's that time of year again when many of us are feeling the pinch. Whether you're saving up to surprise your family or putting in some overtime shifts to afford that flashy new dress, a credit card can be a great way to make your money stretch further this Christmas. After all, with numerous credit cards offering cash back or rewards on spending as well as special promotional offers such as 0% purchase APR or balance transfer deals for Christmas, there has never been a better time for using one to save money this festive season. Increased research from Experian Oliver Wyman in 2018 found that nearly half of UK adults use a cashback credit card at Christmas time. There are plenty of reasons why using one is such an excellent idea this December. Here are our top tips for using a credit card responsibly this Christmas. Double-check your purchases. One of the main reasons why many people shy away from using a credit card is the fear of getting into debt. While using a credit card doesn't guarantee you'll end up in debt, there is always the risk of falling into the red. One of the easiest ways to avoid this is to double-check all of your purchases, to make sure you're aware of everything you're spending your money on. You may want to consider setting up a spreadsheet or online budgeting tool to keep track of exactly where your money is going. This is particularly useful if you plan on using a credit card for your Christmas shopping. You can keep a record of every purchase you make, as well as how much cash you are spending. This will help you to keep track of what you're spending and avoid accidentally going over your credit card limit. Don't shy away from balance transfers. Another common misconception is that using a credit card always means taking out a new loan. This could not be further from the truth. In fact, one of the most overlooked ways to use a credit card is to transfer a high-interest debt onto it. If you have a loan with a high APR, a balance transfer could be a great way to shift this debt over to a credit card with a lower rate. If you're thinking of doing this, you should keep in mind that many credit cards do charge a fee for this service. However, it's worth keeping in mind that transferring a debt from a high-interest loan onto a low-interest card could save you hundreds of pounds per year. Be mindful of APR changes and handling fees. Another important thing to keep in mind is that credit card companies can change their APRs at any time. This means that even if you currently have a credit card with a 0% purchase APR, it is possible this could change in the future. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of the fact that the APR rate can change at any time. It's also worth keeping in mind that, even if your APR stays the same, you will still have to pay interest on any money you borrow from your credit card, regardless of whether it is for purchases or balance transfers. Therefore, it's important to make sure you pay off your entire balance as quickly as possible, to avoid being charged any interest. It's worth remembering that most credit cards charge interest on both existing balances and new purchases from the moment you take them out. You can avoid this by setting up a direct debit to pay off the full balance on your credit card each month. This will help to keep your interest charges to a minimum. Utilize cashback offers. One of the best ways to save money using a credit card this Christmas is by taking advantage of cashback offers. Credit cards are notorious for having special promotional offers at Christmas, such as a 0% purchase APR or a special cashback offer. However, it's important to make sure you've done your research before applying for a credit card. Websites such as Moneyfacts can provide you with information on different cards, such as interest rates and fees, helping you to find the best option for you. Credit cards are a great way to save money at Christmas time. Whether you're buying presents or booking a holiday, many cards offer special promotions that allow you to earn cash back on your purchases. Please note, there are plenty of benefits to using a credit card, as well as risks to be aware of. Credit cards allow you to buy now and pay later, which can be useful if you need to purchase expensive items like gifts or a new computer for work. However, if you can't pay the full balance when the bill comes due, you'll be hit with hefty interest charges that can put a real dent in your finances. Therefore, it's important to make sure you are disciplined when it comes to using a credit card. Make sure you keep track of your spending, repay your balance in full each month, and only use credit cards as a last resort. Using a credit card can be a great way to save money this Christmas. If you want to learn more, visit our website www.insurancetraveltips.com. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe to this channel.